Okay class, today we're going to do addition and subtraction. So first we're going to play a game where we're going to take Legos and add on multiples of 2 and then practice counting them for addition. So this is when I pass out the Legos and have the kids put the Legos together, and then they will count them all through addition and then share the results with the class. After this game, I'll lecture them, so I'll review and ask them on what they remember about addition and subtraction from kindergarten. So we'll talk about what they know about adding and subtracting. We will ask how addition works, how they take one number and add it to another number to get a sum, and how subtraction works, how they'll take one number, subtract it from another, and get a difference. After we do the review, I'll lecture on how counting can be used to efficiently add and subtract. So I'll say, when you have two numbers like 5 and 5, you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you can keep counting 5 more, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So when you take 5 and 5 and count them all together, you get 10, so you can take 5 plus 5 equals 10. And then I'll keep lecturing on how counting is efficiently used to do adding and subtracting. For subtraction, I'll have them count backwards, so I'll do count from 10, take away 3, so it'd be 10, 9, 8, 7. So if you have 10 and you count down 3, you'll have 7. So the difference of 10 and 3 is 7. Then I'll have the students play an adding game where one student will hold up a certain number of fingers, like 5, and then another student will hold up a number of fingers, like 4, and then we'll have another student count them, so they'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then the result is 9. I'll have one student do subtraction, so I'll have someone hold up 5 and then have someone hold up 3, so we'll count the difference between 5 and 3, which is 2, and then the kids will know that 5 minus 3 is 2. For modeling, I'm going to do some problems on this whiteboard. So I'm going to model how you can use shapes and objects to do addition and subtraction. So if we have 3 circles plus 2 circles, we're going to count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is 5. So 3 circles plus 2 circles equals 5 circles. Or we'll draw 5 here. Then for subtraction, I'll do 5 circles minus 3 circles, and then we'll count the difference. So we have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So what's left is 1 and 2. So the answer is 2. So 5 minus 3 equals 2. Now I'll show the students how to use a number line to do addition and subtraction. So here's our number line. We're gonna have 1, 2, 3. So it's 1, 2, 3. Then we're gonna do 3 plus 4 equals 7. So we have 3. And now we're gonna add 4 more lines. 4, 5, 6, 7. So that is 4, 5, 6, 7. So 3 plus 4 equals 7. Then after I teach the number line, I'm going to check understanding by asking the students questions on how they come up. I'm going to have them come up to the board and complete questions like this, draw them out so that their other classmates can see and so that I can see if they understand what I'm saying. And then I will also ask them how counting can apply to addition and subtraction. So what I'm looking for as an answer is that you can count, you can start with a certain number, count to that number, and then think of the next number of amount and count on that many times to see what the outcome is. Then their guided practice, well, I'll have them call out the sum of different subtraction and addition problems that I write on the board. So I'll write like 6 plus 2, and I'll have them either draw on a piece of paper or think in their head how much 6 plus 2 equals, and the answer is 8. So the first student that calls out an 8 will get a gold star or whatever the incentive is. So I'll do this a bunch of times until it seems like the students are really understanding. Then I'll have them do their independent practice, where I will pass out a worksheet that has different kinds of addition and subtraction problems in smaller and larger numbers. I'll have them show their work by drawing shapes or drawing number lines or drawing tallies or whatever they can use to do it. And then at the end of the day, we will kind of just talk about if anybody has any questions. We will do another number game and see if they've picked on it quicker. And then that is the lesson.